Tonight at 10, court documents show new allegations of domestic abuse against former Arkansas State Representative Austin McCollum. He was arrested last weekend, accused of attacking his wife. His wife, Ragen McCollum, filed for divorce today and is asking for full custody of their children. 5 News reporter Taylor Howard joins us now after reading through a petition for an order of protection that she filed this week that details that alleged abuse. Taylor?
Yeah, Austin McCollum was arrested last weekend after his wife told deputies he punched her and slammed her into the ground. Ragen also told them Austin kept her from leaving their home. But in this separate petition for an order of protection, she describes multiple other incidents she says happened throughout their marriage. One of those incidents, Ragen McCollum says, happened after the family came home from a trip. She writes that the two were arguing in the car, and when they got home, she got out and tried to get away from him. She says he then, quote, drove the car forward into her. When she went to check on their children, she writes that their 4-year-old asked why McCollum hit her with the car. That's just one of several incidents she details in the petition. She also describes other instances of physical abuse, including being choked, dragged by her hair, and prevented from leaving. Victoria Paul is a domestic abuse advocate with the River Valley Shelter. She says for someone on the outside, it can be easy to ask, why didn't they just leave?
So much of it is mental abuse and emotional abuse and even financial abuse.
Victoria says controlling behavior can show up long before physical violence, and it's important to watch for red flags.
So even if they are in like a better socioeconomic situation, they may not have access to any of that money. If they are wanting access to your phone at all times, if they're wanting your location at all times because they don't trust you, if they are being controlling, trying to control where you go, who you talk to, what you do.
If some of this feels familiar in your own relationship, she says you don't have to be ready to leave before asking for help.
Reach out to a shelter near you. Even if you're not comfortable leaving yet, you can talk about a safety plan. You can talk about what resources are available. You can talk about what options you might have just to plan to keep you safe.
The allegations in the petition have not been proven in court. We reached out to McCollum's attorney about the new allegations, but he tells 5 News he will not be commenting at this time. McCollum resigned from his District 8 House seat this week, but remains the only candidate for Benton County Judge. McCollum is set to be back in court September 8th on the criminal charges. A temporary hearing for the divorce case is set for August 25th. If you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, the National Domestic Violence Hotline is on your screen. Morgan.